I thought today I would share a little bit about engraving. I went to Harbor Freight and they had this engraver, and it was $7.99, and with a 20% off coupon it was like, I don't know, $6.50. Really inexpensive. And I thought I would play with it a little bit. It has a dial over here, and it's 1 through 5 for speeds, and the lowest number, number 1, is for detail engraving, and number 5 is for a deeper cut. And what prompted me was a lot of times on a job site you'll lay down a tape measure, and everybody's carrying around these fat maxes, and you may not know exactly whose is whose. So just throw your name on it, and I thought it'd be kind of fun to give this a little whirl. So let's try it. Oh, by the way, this is how I've been doing it. I just take some marker and I write my name on it. But it'd be kind of fun so let's do it. So I know it doesn't work very well on rubber. So when you engrave, just use the hard plastic. Well, I'll tell you, that was fast and permanent. Did a very good job. If you want, you could always take a white pen stick and rub it into the letters and it would show up better. But you really don't need it. You just quickly notice whose is whose. If you don't like your handwriting, here's a trick I had seen. You just go to Word and print up some labels and then pull off the little sticker, and you can just trace your font and it'll give you a nice print. I thought I would show you how it works metal. So let's see here. I've got a pry bar that's pretty crappy, so let's give that a whirl. Kind of down and dirty, but it worked really well. I'll take a couple of still shots for you to see the results, but for under $7, you really can't beat it. You might consider it. I'll catch you on the next one.